Job engineering for advanced weld inspection using phased arrays starts with the configuration of the inspection strategy using the Olympus NDT Setup Builder. The Setup Builder allows the user to define the weld bevel and configure the position of the probes for creating the phased array inspection strategy. The inspection consists of a multi-angle S-scan made of many A-scans that comply with existing codes such as ASME, EN, and similar, for which the beam size, beam angle, beam focus are programmable by the user. The inspection is performed from both sides of the weld using two probes perpendicular to the weld line and secured at the predetermined position in the scanner relative to the weld center line. This scan plan, along with the probe, wedge, and beam parameters, are typically included in a technique sheet that is included with the inspection report. Depending on the complexity and number of probes required, the inspection strategy and probe parameters can either be created directly on the OmniScan or imported from the SDHC memory card. Compact, lightweight, and portable, the Olympus Cobra scanner is designed for phased array inspection of small diameter piping using two low-profile Olympus phased array probes optimized for thin wall weld inspection. The Cobra kit comes with everything needed for the OmniScan to perform one or two-sided weld inspection, including contoured wedges that cover the ANSI piping range from 0.84 to 4.5 inches or 21 to 114 millimeters. Templates included in the kit are used to configure the scanner for different pipe diameters and to ensure proper tension for the guide wheels and encoder for smooth, consistent scanning in both directions. The probes are secured in the scanner at the predetermined position relative to the weld center line. The scanner is placed on the pipe at the inspection start position. Select Start Inspection on the OmniScan. Start the water supply. Move the scanner around the pipe smoothly. When the inspection is complete, select Pause and select Save Data File. Analysis is performed on the OmniScan or offline using OmniPC. As the data cursor is moved through the C-scan to replay the inspection, the S-scan from each side of the weld is displayed. The A-scans that make the S-scan are calibrated for wedge delay, sensitivity, and TCG in accordance with the referencing code, typically ASME, EN, or similar. When a flaw is detected, length sizing is performed with the cursor on the C-scan using an amplitude drop technique and the statistics displayed in the readings from the scan axes. Depth and height sizing is performed with cursors on the S-scan using amplitude drop or tip diffraction techniques with statistics available from the UT axes. (129.6% amplitude at a depth of just below the surface, 2.83 millimeters from the face of the wedge, 4.67 millimeters relative to the weld center line on the positive side. On the UT axis, 9.72 millimeters to 10.89 for an overall through-wall dimension or height of 1.17 millimeters and a flaw length of 6.50 millimeters. The flaw is added to the indication table. And from the report menu, information regarding the OmniScan, the calibration, and the software, the setup and phased array setup for each group, the component and scanner information, and inspection results to include the statistical readings and a screenshot of the flaw. The report can be printed directly from here or saved enclosed.